Happy Valentine's Day. I absolutely love this holiday. I'm super excited. Yeah, Valentine's Day is literally in 2 days. And if you have no plan for Valentine's Day for your loved ones or anything that you're gonna do or anything that you're gonna give, then you're late. But that's okay because you came to the right place. If you're watching this and you don't have anything planned, that means you're probably on a time crunch. I'm here for you. So today I have for you guys super great gifts that are really thoughtful, really cute, but also really inexpensive. I got all of this for a pretty cheap price, I'm not even gonna lie. These are great gifts that you can give to your girlfriend, boyfriend,
2 hours later,
cousin, best friend, best guy friend,
3 hours later,
best girlfriend, brother, sister, mother, dad, whatever. You can personalize it to any kind of person that you want or any situation that you need to, but they're still great, cute gifts. Let's go ahead and get into the gifts. So you want to make some Valentine's Day gifts on a budget while still being thoughtful, cute, loving, creative, and you'll get the best gift award. Well, you've come to the right place. So for the first gift idea, let me get into the things that you'll need. You'll need a jar, ribbon, and some cute Valentine's Day candy. You can use literally any kind of jar that you want, a mason jar, a mug, a bottle like this, a plastic water bottle, whatever works. But I chose this one because I thought it was super cute and I was already in Starbucks, so I was like, oh. So one cool thing about this jar or a water bottle or whatever cup or mug that you want to use is that the person you give it to, they'll be able to use the cup or the mug or the water bottle after they're done. Now for me, I always love the gifts that keep on giving. So if you give me a water bottle filled with something and I can still use the water bottle, I'll love you forever. And you might need some optional scissors. So you take your candy and you just fill it in your cup. If you want to be even cheaper, you can go to the dollar store and they always have the cutest seasonal themed things. And then you can get a cup or a mug or a glass or something for literally $1. Get some ribbon from there on the cheap change and there you go, you have like a $3 or $4 gift. Doesn't get much better than that. I'm just filling it up all the way to the top. So just unscrew the top back on. Now you go in for your ribbon. So I was going to try to make a cute little bow, but I can't really do bows. Boom! Take your scissors, do it at an angle to make it look like you really tried. Oh, come on. Come on, that's kind of cute. Voila! How cute is this? This is adorable. It looks like you put a lot of time into it, and you did put a lot of thought into it. You thought about them, you say, hey, I need to get them something. Got them some super cute candy and a cute little jar with the ribbon, and it just looks adorable. So here's gift number 1. I got all of these items from Target. It was a quick one-stop shop from Target, so Target, we love you, honey. We love you. So at Target, I got these mini mason jars, and I was like, oh, how cute! They come in a little pack of 4, and you can do the same thing, same concept. Get your ribbon, get your candy, fill up these mason jars. It's a cute little something to give to somebody, and it's like, oh, happy Valentine's Day. Or maybe you want to give this with a Starbucks gift card or something like that. Once again, take your ribbon. Same thing, I'm just going to tie it, give a little snip. Here's the finished product of the 2 little mason jars and the water bottle filled with candy. Super cute and super thoughtful, and honestly it does not take much time to do these gifts. For this next gift, you are going to need some more Valentine's Day candy. I got 2 gift cards. Grab your favorite movie, and it's the Girls Rule collection and the ultimate chick flicks right here. And you can give this to your cousin, aunt, sister, friend, and you guys can have a movie pizza night. I got this cute little twisty tie bag. This is cute to put candy in, and they didn't have a smaller one, but I got popcorn. I got some more Hershey Kisses. That is it for the contents of the bag. So now for the decorative items. I got some stuffing to go along with it. I got some cute pink assorted tissue paper. First things first, we're gonna open the popcorn. So I'm going to take, I debated should I do 2 or 3? We'll do 3. take your stuffing, just so you can have something cute to look at, like at the bottom of the bag. Then I'm gonna go in with my tissue paper. And I'm just gonna put this at the bottom of the bag too. Next I'm gonna go in with my candy bag. You're gonna take your loose candy, we're just gonna put it in the bag. And here's a cute little bag, so we're just gonna set that in here. Now take your movie, just slide that in there and slide in your candy. Add your popcorn to the front and slide in your 2 gift cards in there. And here's the bag. It is super cute, super thoughtful, and here is the contents of the bag. I mean, you can do it any kind of way you want, but I just have my movie, my box of chocolates, my bag of candy, my popcorn, then my 2 gift cards sticking out at the top. And it's super simple. Give it to a friend, give it to a girlfriend, or you can personalize this and make this for your boyfriend or your girlfriend and say, hey babe, let's have a movie night or something cute like that. It can also be a date night sort of thing. It's not just a gift, it's like, hey, we're gonna spend time together. Let's do it. Here's gift number 2. So the next gift I have is a DIY at-home spa night. Here are the items that you are going to need for your spa night. We have some body spray, but I also have a super cute candle here. You can't have a spa night without a candle, people, duh. Next we have a bath bomb. So what is a spa night without face masks? And a headband, because you need a headband to hold your hair back. They give you these at the spa too, so that's where my inspiration came from. For decoration, of course, we have a bag here. So I got some more stuffing for the bag, and then I got some white tissue paper. And you're gonna take your stuffing, kind of spread it out. Put your face mask. Add in your candle. Your bath bomb, your headband. And also you can take some more loose candy and sprinkle that in because it just adds a little bit of pizzazz. So here's what the inside of the bag looks like. Super cute, nothing too complicated. You have your face mask right here, your candle up in front, your bath bomb, and your body spray here in the back. We are just Valentine's Day gurus, my gosh. Look at us go, okay. For this next gift is more for a special someone. In my opinion, I think it's more for a special someone. So here is what you're going to need. A bag, a stuffed pink pillow. Also some more treat bags, tissue paper. We're gonna stuff this down at the bottom. And for the pillow, here is the signature for giving a cute little stuffed animal or something to your guy or your girl or whatever. I'm gonna take my signature scent, my favorite scent, at least at the moment. Give the pillow a little, I know it probably looks like I just blasted this pillow with perfume and it's gonna be like, oh, it's gonna be too much. But the more it sits, the smell will leave. So it's okay to be a little generous in the beginning because you want the smell to last. So that way, when your little person has this on their couch or on their bed or something and they're thinking of you, they can just like pick it up and they like smell you, or like they'll kind of smell your scent in the room. I don't know, when I explain it, it sounds like weird, but it's but it's cute. It'll be like, oh, like my girl gave this to me and like it smells like her and everything. It's super cute. Or a guy can spray it with his cologne. Now, admittedly, it might be like, okay, this is just for like a girl to give to a guy. No, like honestly, girls would eat that up. I personally would eat that up. If you love to smell your cologne, I mean, don't like drench yourselves in it and take a bath in it and then come over and be like, oh, she gonna think I smell good. No, just a little light 1-2 for you guys because body spray for girls is a lot lighter than cologne. Just, I'm helping you fellas out, okay? At least for me personally, but even though I know all girls feel the same way, if my guy were to spray his cologne on like a stuffed animal or a sweatshirt he got me or something, I'd be like, ah! Like, okay. That would really get me, and that would probably just like melt my heart, and I'd be like, oh, this is like the cutest thing ever. I'd be very happy. Little bag of candy with kisses in it, Hershey Kisses in it. Once again, the one's filled with caramel, of course. So I'm gonna slide this into the bottom. I'm going to go in with some more tissue paper. I'm gonna set this to the side. This part is optional, but I personally think notes are so cute. But when you get your note from your special guy or your special girl, I don't know, it hits different. For my girls, we love to go above and beyond and be a little extra. You guys might be a little intimidated by this and you're like, come on, like this is not manly, like writing a note on like some pink and freaking red paper. But I got you guys. For girls, we love anything that you put kind of any thought into. Even like the simple things. You can write a note literally just on lined paper, notebook paper, or on a note card, or that is all you need, guys. And if you just slide that in there, I guarantee you, your girl's heart will completely melt. And it doesn't have to be like, I loved you for 1,000 years. Like, no, it can be just something super simple, cute. Here is the next gift. Super cute, super thoughtful, cheap, inexpensive. For the last gift, here's what you're going to need. Pre-made cookies, Pillsbury sugar cookies, Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookies. You can make them homemade, but again, that is not fast. That takes forever. So I already have my cookies made here. I added some sprinkles onto the cookies. Also need ribbon again. You'll need a little glass container or a plastic container, anything to store cookies in. And I added chocolates. This is for if you give this to a girlfriend of yours. I just got sprinkles from Target. Those are all the items you will need. So make sure you guys wash your hands, of course. You're gonna just open up your container. This gift literally takes 2 seconds. Add your cookies in. Who doesn't love getting food? Then you're gonna go in with your ribbon, and I'm going to take the chocolates and put them on top and put my ribbon just around the whole thing. Go in with my scissors at an angle to make it neat. And it's such a super cute, easy gift. You have your chocolates, have your cookies in your jar, and it's super easy. You can add a little note if you wanted to, like, hey bestie, happy Valentine's Day, love you girl, or whatever. Here are all of my gifts, and these gifts were literally so easy. It took me 2 seconds to do every single one of these. Anyone would be really happy to get these. I would. Anytime someone like does something to let me know that they're thinking of me, it's just super sweet. And that's just what Valentine's Day is about. This is literally super easy stuff you can get. Run a Target, run a Walmart. You can get a lot of stuff at Walgreens too. And make someone's Valentine's Day.